You've seen the headlines, celebrities getting into crypto, billionaires tweeting about Bitcoin. But have you ever wondered where they actually keep all the digital wealth? The answer is a lot more complex and a lot more secure than you might imagine. Today we are pulling back the curtain on the sophisticated strategies that high net worth individuals use to protect their crypto fortunes. It's not about a simple app on their phone. It's a fortress built on layers of legal, technical, and physical security. First, let's talk about what the rich don't do, because understanding the mistakes is just as important as understanding the solutions. The biggest mistake newcomers make is treating cryptocurrency like a stock and leaving it in their exchange account. We saw this with Kevin Durant, who kept his crypto on Coinbase, and others might move their funds to a hot wallet like MetaMask, which is what Mark Cuban did. While these methods are convenient for trading small amounts for storing significant wealth, they are the equivalent of leaving stacks of cash on your front porch. Exchanges, despite their best efforts and security measures, are massive targets for hackers around the world. We've seen major exchanges like Mt. Gox and Quadriga CX collapse, taking billions in customer funds with them. When you leave your crypto on an exchange, you are trusting them entirely. And here's the thing, you don't actually own the crypto. You own an IOU from the exchange. Hot wallets, on the other hand, are software wallets connected to the internet, and this connectivity makes them inherently vulnerable to attack. Malware on your computer could capture your password, a phishing email could trick you into revealing your private key, or a social engineering attack could convince you to authorize a malicious transaction. The golden rule of crypto is not your keys, not your coins. And for wealthy, giving up control of their keys is a risk they are simply not willing to take. So, how do the wealthy protect their crypto? They use a layered security approach that combines multiple strategies working together. It's not about a single solution, but rather a combination of legal, technical, and physical safeguards that work together to create a formidable defense against every conceivable threat. The very first layer of defense isn't a piece of technology at all. It's a legal structure. High net worth individuals rarely hold large amounts of crypto in their own name, and instead they use specialized legal entities like limited liability companies, or LLCs, or trusts. This creates a crucial legal separation between their personal assets and their crypto holdings, which means that if they are ever sued personally, their crypto is shielded within that separate legal entity, making it incredibly difficult for creditors to reach. This structure also provides significant advantages for estate planning, because by placing crypto in a trust, they can designate a successor trustee to manage the assets in the event of their death. This avoids the lengthy and public process of probate court and ensures a smooth transfer of wealth to their heirs. It also allows for more formal governance, with clear rules about how the assets can be managed and distributed. Once the legal structure is in place, the next step is choosing the right storage solutions. And this is where we get into the technology. The wealthy use a combination of tools, each serving a specific purpose in their overall security strategy. Hardware wallets, also known as cold wallets, are the starting point for any serious investor. These are physical devices, often resembling a USB drive, that store your private keys offline, completely isolated from the internet. When you want to make a transaction, you connect the device to your computer, and the transaction is signed inside the wallet security chip. So the private key is never exposed to the internet. Think of it as a personal digital safe. Celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Drake are known to use them. It's important to buy these devices directly from manufacturer like Ledger or Trezor to avoid the risk of a compromised device from a third-party seller. For even greater security, many wealthy individuals and businesses use multisignature or multisig wallets, which require 2 or more private keys to authorize a transaction. A common setup is a 2 of 3 multisig, where there are 3 keys and any 2 of them are required to move the funds. This eliminates the single point of failure, because if one key is lost, stolen, or destroyed, the funds are still accessible with the other 2 keys. This setup, used by figures like Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, is like a bank's safe deposit box that requires 2 different keys to open. Finally, for the bulk of their holdings, we're talking 7, 8, or even 9 figures. The ultra-wealthy turn to institutional custody. These are specialized regulated companies like Anchorage Digital, Zodiac Custody, or Coinbase Custody that provide institutional-grade security for digital assets. They offer features that are simply not available to retail investors, such as massive crime insurance policies, regular audits, and bankruptcy protection that keeps client assets separate from the custodian's own holdings. They use military-grade security technologies like hardware security modules or HSMs, which are tamper-proof hardware for key storage, and multi-party computation or MPC, a cryptographic technique that splits a private key into multiple shares so that no single person or device ever holds the complete key. This is the Fort Knox of the crypto world, and it comes with a price tag to match, often requiring millions in minimum deposits. Beyond these foundational layers, the truly wealthy employ an even more advanced playbook to secure their digital fortunes, focusing on what the security world calls operational security, or OPSEC. This means creating a sterile environment for all crypto activities, and they do this by using dedicated crypto phones and computers that are never used for anything else. No social media, no personal email, nothing that could open a door for an attacker. They completely abandoned SMS-based two-factor authentication, which is highly vulnerable to SIM swap attacks, where a hacker tricks your phone provider into porting your number to their device. Instead, they rely on authenticator apps and, for the highest level of security, physical security keys like YubiKeys, which require a physical touch to authenticate. Physical security is also paramount in their strategy, and the recovery phrases for their wallets, those 12 to 24 words that can restore a wallet, are never stored digitally. They are never typed into a computer, never saved in a password manager, and never photographed. Instead, they are physically written down, or better yet, stamped into metal plates to protect against fire and flood, and then stored in multiple geographically separate secure locations, such as bank vaults or fireproof safes. Some even go as far as to use decoy wallets with small amounts of crypto to throw off attackers, and time-locked transactions that can only be accessed after a certain date. So, what does this all look like in practice? It's a tiered strategy tailored to the amount of wealth being protected, and it looks very different depending on whether you're a millionaire or a billionaire. For the crypto millionaire next door, this might mean keeping less than 5% of their portfolio in a hot wallet for active trading, while the other 95% is secured in a hardware wallet with the recovery phrase stamped into steel plates and stored in 2 separate secure locations. They use a dedicated email for crypto accounts and a physical security key for all logins. For the ultra-high net worth individual, the structure is far more complex and sophisticated. They will have a legal entity like Wyoming LLC holding all the assets, with the vast majority of their crypto, 90% or more, held in institutional custody. A smaller operating account of a few $1,000,000 might be held in a 3 of 5 multisig hardware wallet, with the 5 keys held by the individual, their lawyer, a family member, a security firm, and in a bank vault. Every aspect of their setup is designed to minimize risk, create multiple layers of protection, and ensure the longevity of their digital wealth. As you can see, for the wealthy, securing their crypto is a serious business that requires constant attention and planning. It's not about a single app or device, but rather a comprehensive, multi-layered strategy that combines legal structures, advanced technology, and rigorous personal security practices. It's a constant process of vigilance, risk assessment, and proactive defense, because the threats are real and they're constantly evolving. For them, crypto isn't just an investment. It's a new asset class that demands a new level of security. And now you know their secrets. What's your crypto security setup? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of crypto.